Hey guys, welcome to the Android Kenya channel. Today we are going to look at what we have in the box of this new device. This is the Huawei Y7p, which goes on sale in Kenya on Friday, April 17th. So let's get started. Right off the bat, you can see this is the device and the stickers. So let's see what else is inside the box. So here you go, an ejector tool for the SIM card slot, and then some documentation here. This is a quick start guide. Oh, here we have a clear jelly case for the device. Then here we have the usual USB cable, micro USB you might add, so there's no USB type C here. Then here's your charging adapter. Is that all? No. So we have some earphones here, basic as they come. And yes, that's all. That's all. So let's get to this, which is our device. So you can see here you have your very expansive 6.39-inch display with a punch hole. So that's where your front-facing camera is. Of course, it says here it has inside a 4000 mAh battery. And then at the back, as you can see, you have the 3 camera sensors here. I'm not so sure if the camera can capture them correctly, but there you go. So one is a 48 megapixel shooter. Then you have an 8 megapixel ultra wide sensor, and then a 2 megapixel camera. So yes, and you can see here your micro USB charging port. You still have your good old headphone jack, then the speakers, and yes, here's a button arrangement, but you can see that color combination. Same old, very good design that Huawei has been releasing on its devices over the last 2 or so years. So yeah, that's all from this quick unboxing of the Huawei Y7p.